Advisor Cocomi advisor Jitendra Ningomba has slammed the government, stating it is busy trying to arrest those who actively work with the people in the movement against the disintegration of Manipur instead of facing those who are actually trying to disintegrate the state. He was speaking at a sit-in protest at Gairao Kuno against the Tronglaubi attack and subsequent firing upon civilians by CRPF personnel in a camp. The event was jointly organized by Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Development Committee and 5 local clubs in Kairao Bitra area. Speaking further, Jitendra alleged that the central government has remained a mute spectator to the targeted killings of innocent civilians by Kuki narco-terrorists. He also criticized the state government's failure to apprehend those responsible for the Tronglaubi attack, claiming that the current administration lacks the necessary seriousness to bring the perpetrators of such heinous crimes to justice. The Cocomi alleged that the government is focusing instead on suppressing the voices of the people's movement.
Honorable Chief Minister na atubo matamda Home Minister na atubo matamda Manipuri miyam na pami ba thawak karde pakhel pam thoi haibduni karino pakhel haje akhoi ning amda ba thawak natte hujug de khali ba akhoi misam halim kangusing dolo moda operation do Imphal koti thiu hotan taro aduguma narco terrorism adu mathakka adu to ude ui haragade ngasi akhoi na sauri ba akhoi ni pedi mo yabse kadabugi sawgudo leili balenga aksine khari to riye haibdo akhoi Kangji Habini, Atubu Kang and the Minmanga Queen of Ubaya, visible over the top of Dogdina Queen, what of the law, what of the law, Rivasida Mok, Makoji, Ras, Digimoki, Masil, Kanabagi, Oregon, Kutung Savloga, Manipuri, Mianda, I call luxury by Kosovo, Pagani Punania, Sandor Inusi. Manipur Miami, Panada, the Tidan of Honova, Visam Prasama, Equida, Intapa, Santi Leva, Equiji, Tatum, Equiji Castle, Mang, and Honebu, Equiji Tumunta, Nang and Honebu, Hybida, Makoina, Equida Lana Pokimba, Launa Potu, the Pata, Potama, from Jaga